and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. This is super insane, guys. It actually works. So I hope you enjoyed the video till the end. Let's go. Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to get an auto clicker for iOS and Android. So it's really easy. Just go to weakmode.com and they have the auto clicker app on there. So just go to the search bar, type it in, press install, and it's going to start downloading. So before it downloads, there's going to be verification. So this is the last step. Download 2 apps, follow instructions 100% for free from official app store. So let's just wait for this to load here, as you can see. So I'm just going to give it a second for this to load up. So yeah, let's just give it a second. So as you can see, it's loading right now. So yeah, we literally just got to download 2 of these apps and follow instructions to complete the verification to install the auto clicker onto our phone. So as you can see, it's loading right now. So it's just going to say like missing files, and you just want to download 2 of these apps. Doesn't have to be the same as me, but you can see Underdog says down in room for 30 seconds, so I could do this one, or like tons of them, guys. They've got like Travel Town, Reach Level 9. This one's a little more advanced, but just make sure you get 2 of the apps. I'll see you guys later. But yeah, this is super cool, guys. So that's how to get auto clicker for your device. Just make sure you download 2 of them. Super cool.